We like to keep it unplanned and just go wherever we feel like in the moment. This year, since the weather was beautiful, we decided to go to Shizuoka. Our trip started in the afternoon. When we left home, it was almost 2 p.m. We drove straight to the hotel because the place was known for its sunset view. But since we left home so late, we missed the sunset at the hotel. However, we were still able to see this beautiful view of Fuji-san in the distance to the west. So our day one was mostly about driving toward the sun. The purpose of this trip was to rest my brain and connect with my feelings, so we didn't have anything specific we needed to do. For dinner, we had French cuisine made with local vegetables and seafood, and it was so good.
Promise not to use. Promise. Promise not to use. Promise.
After breakfast, we started driving back east. The mountain roads were full of curves, and I almost got carsick. But it was worth it. We saw this beautiful mountain view all the way. On our way to Shuzenji, we stopped by Nijino-sato and took this little train just because it felt fun. The maple trees were turning yellow, and I enjoyed every bit of the autumn vibes. After deciding on tonight's hotel at the cafe, we visited a stunning bamboo forest near Shuzenji. Just sitting and focusing on the sounds of the wind and bamboo trees was so comforting and relaxing. I think we all need more of this in our busy daily lives. There are lots of local craft stores there. We got some yuba at Daikokuya, where we met a cute grandma. I don't know why, but I just love yuba so much. For me, it's even more delicious than tofu. We also stopped by a washi paper craft store, and I got these cute cards. I want to use them for special occasions. The sky was a clear blue, so we started driving along the Atami beach line. Our last destination was Hakone. This was the ultimate goal of this trip for me. Onsen yukuguri shabu-shabu. The only difference from normal shabu-shabu is the water, but it tastes like a completely different food. Our day was mostly about onsens, but we decided to drive back west a little to catch a sunset and Fuji. The air was freezing, but it was absolutely worth it. We live in such a busy world, and I feel like this trip gave me the space to stop thinking about anything at all and just live in the moment. With beautiful nature, delicious Japanese local food, and relaxing hot springs, I felt completely refreshed after this trip. And I'm just so grateful to have been born in such a beautiful country and for my mom to be such a great companion of mine. Thank you so much for watching till the end, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.